So this is a scenario where we would be using VLOOKUP with duplicate values. So what are the duplicate values here? You can see that in this table, we have Ruby Patel like 3 times with 3 different sales values. Same for Summer and same for Mary. So when we use VLOOKUP, what will happen? It will always gives us the first match. Like for example, in case I take these names and I try to find out the sales using the lookup function. So G5 is my lookup value. What is my lookup array? This one. Column number 2, false. What it does? It is returning me the first match sale. This one. It's not reaching till this place. So how to get all the 3 sales of Ruby Patel in this table? This is the question. Okay, so now we have 6 rows and we want that whichever name we select from this drop down, the respective sales, all the sales, not the first one, comes here for that particular customer. How to go ahead with that? So what we have to do, we have to generate some unique value for these people. Then only we would be able to access the respective sales. Now the question is how to generate that unique value for each customer name. So first of all, we will take their count, that how many times this particular person is coming in. Like unique count for Ruby Patel would be 1, for 1, 1, for Summer Mary. Here it would be 2, 2 and 2, and third, third and third. So what does it mean? It means this is the first time Ruby Patel came. This is the second. This is the third instance. And same for Summer and Mary. But how to generate it using a formula? We cannot write the unique count manually. So we will use counter function. What is the range? The range is C4 colon C4. This is the range. And what is the criteria? C4. When I drag it, I get the answer. So look at this formula again and see what it is doing. So what it is doing, I have fixed my first cell of the range, which is C4 and till C4. So what is happening? It is comparing this value because this is the criteria Ruby Patel C4 with starting with this position till C4. So basically when control came here, it is comparing C4 with a range. And what is a range? C4 to C4. So it will compare C4 with this cell and give the count. Then the control will come here. Now this C4 is fixed. Why? Because the comparing starts with this cell and goes till this cell. So in the next cell, it would be C5. So it will start comparing with this, then we'll move to this. Look at this formula. Here it is comparing the C6 value starting from C4 as in this row and then with this and then with this. So whatever value we are comparing, it is comparing this value starting with this value till down. In this, read the formula. It is comparing the value of C8, which is Summer, with the value first with this, then with this, then with this, then with this, then with this, and taking the count and giving us the count. So this is a kind of loop. See, we got the unique count. Now in here, what will we do? We will concatenate the customer name with their count. So this is the unique value we could actually generate, right? So now how to use it here? VLOOKUP What is the lookup value? Here also we will concatenate name of the employee, comma, G5. This is the lookup value I have. What is the lookup range? This, column number third, and false. And I got the result. So basically this is Mary Parker 1, 32416. When I scroll it down, what happens? It's not giving me the result. Why? Same issue. I did not fix the cell. Again, so there is some issue. What is the issue? In concatenate, we need to fix up some of the cell. What to fix? In this cell, we want to concatenate H3 only. So basically, we will fix this value. Right? So first, Mary had sales of 32146, 416. Another one had 30,000. Third one had 38,000. Now change Summer Hayward 4355, 40,000, 45,000, and we are getting the result. And in this case, we can use if error function as well. So in case there is a function error in this function, it will return a blank value. So what is happening? When we scroll it down, these three cells will become blank. So this is how to handle duplicate values in VLOOKUP. So the first step would be to create some unique ID for these employees so that through that unique ID, we can access the sales in this table. There is no other way. So the best way is to take their count, the instance it is happening, and then use concatenate function and access the sales amount in this table.